Okay, told from the hill. I will go and make it. Oh, good. Good, watch me.
What are you doing, buddy?
Oh, oh.
Really? You think so? You reading? Some deep stuff, huh? Dominic, you love Daddy? You love Mommy? You say I love you yet? No. Is that a boat?
No. It's cute. Oh, yeah, it'll watch out and just walk on.
You think so, bud? See how long it Let's see how long it takes for him to discover the camera. He's usually really good about that.
What number is that? What number is that? Dominic. Dominic.
My neighbor
What
Hi,
number?
Papa. What number is that?
Oh,
He doesn't care. He's like, that's my reading my book.
it was. It's black. Oh, look, okay.
What is that?
Oh, it's a bunny kid.
Is that a dog? Is that a dog?
Dominic.
Oh,
Daddy goes gonna get you. Want Daddy go get you?
What color is that one?
Dominic. Dominic. Dom. Daddy gonna get you. 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 I'm squishing your head. Quick. Squishing your head. No, I'm just kidding.
What do you say?
He says pretend.
He doesn't know the word pretend. It's not even in the books. Ay.
He said pretend.
That's so funny. Dominic, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Can you wave to the camera?
Can you wave to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Where's the camera?
It's going to run out of batteries.
Show him the camera. Dominic.
I'm filming
Yeah.
you. Ah. Look at.
Say hi.
Give me your camera. You're such a ham. Yeah. You want to come up? Okay, come up. Oh, no, grab it. Okay, grab it.
Hi.
Buggers. Ew.
Ew. He's going to go like this. Watch.
No, blow his nose. There he goes.
What?
No, maybe not. You can stop it now. You
Oh,
can
you're
squish his head.
squishing.
You can squish his head now, too.
Oh, so what?
What number is this? What number is this?
What?
What's that?
Okay, she just
What's this?
Okay, you can stop it.